When I respond, so I feel sell out and turn switcher. Rich will get richer and richer.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Alkaline just drop a song when he richer and richer. The man a chipping at the money mood, cause right now we know him don't kill them off already with heartless killers. So him a show you say him a no killer alone. But what? Him a focus on the money, cause him a get richer and richer. So guess what we are going to know? We are going to review it. So stay tuned.
We are mechanism set a new
Every know the Dan, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
And YouTube, you know, come in say YouTube, that show, and such show, yo.
Yeah, Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploded right now.
So people, the first thing I want to talk about is this song is produced by DJ Frost, you see me? And if the people who have been around the music and we know about music, you know say anytime Alkaline and DJ Frost forward together and say them are going to do a song, it always shot, it always hit, it always go places. I mean just sit down on a thumb drive or sit down on a hard drive. It always a play on stations, international station and all these things, you see me? Because you see them two brother there, them have a chemistry, them know how to work. And people, you see, anytime a producer and an artist can work together and create music, it's not only music, it's like magic.
Money time for every young gun. Money now, money now, money not done. Money time, money time, money time. DJ Frost. Money time, money time, money time. Said and done, young man. When money still around.
So right there and then, Alkaline I tell him fans say, hold it off, hold it down. You see me, him wanna make you know say, yo, you see money soon forward, you know, if you not have it right away. And you see when the money they forward, it now go done. Just continue, do what you do, anything you do, whether you juggle peanut, whether you sell bag juice. Because remember, you know, Alkaline have rich fans, and him have fans where try make it in a life. But you know, a one set of fans them who me definitely know say, Alkaline don't have, and the set of fans them will sit down and I make man bend them over for things. Alkaline have them fans there. None of them boy they can't say vendetta.
When I respond, so I feel sell out and turn switcher. Rich will get richer and richer. Line too short for we meditate on a negative. Stack the dollar, make it bigger and go richer and richer. Richer and richer and richer. Richer and richer and richer. Richer and richer. I can still burn up the temperature. We have them gyal turn them in a stripper.
So for the people them will just a convert to vendetta. Me go on a little vendetta history. You see, anytime Alkaline go money segment, anytime Alkaline got that money something there, it's a hit song he make. You see me? After you hear that song, I say richer and richer, richer and richer and richer. I mean, think about it. We in the festive season at the December period now. So who don't want to be richer and richer? Who don't want to stack up the pile? I must a workless man. And people, remember me telling you say, you see Alkaline, him always put some hidden this in him song them. So who him a talk with sell out and turn switcher? Me no know. But a richer and richer, richer and richer and richer.
Who them can get rid of? Step up the level, we no see him like them. Get a bucket it and we a set a new trend. They are with me brother, them and not a set a new friend. Money we a make and is a set a new
Jano Star, that song ya bring back memories. Memories when me a go so booms and a forward up in a life. And you know when you left high school and you try wonder what you go do now. Cause me not afraid to tell people, you know, me never really go to college. Cause me no one of them bright, extra bright scholars there. You see me? A streets we learn pan. So when we about to left school now and they on the ends and I say, oh, what we are going to do? What we are going to do in our life? You see me? Some man go so booms and choose for work. You see me? Some man go so booms and choose to go foreign and fly out. But guess what? None of we never really sell out and go do nothing funny to get no money. You see me? And you see right now, the whole of we, me not say richer and richer, but the whole of we alright. If you go so booms and want make a flex, everybody have them car roll out with. You see me? Who have car of the yang bite them or the RR bite them, you see me? So I just progress and at that me in that song, I feel like a that Alkaline I say. But him a say it in a one little funny way. Why for the funny? But him a say it in a one relatable way. You see me? I tell ghetto youths them say, yo, no care how far you forward, you know. You have to go for it in a done. You have to try get richer and richer in a anything where you do. Any craft where you do. Any hustling where you do. As what me say, anything you want to do, you can do it once. You know, put your backside across the counter. Once you know, put your behind over the counter. Once you know, sell out or do nothing funny. You see me? Anyway, still back to the review.
Set up, shang up, left them fed up. Anytime them try for economy or box me. We're the first one of the family selected like an army for brought the curse what them call poverty. Oh, to relive. I far for God, but proud of what we achieve. My AP it a phrase. Hate it or you love it, we got top of the chest.
So the man I say, yo, him are the first one in our family to break the curse what them call poverty. Channel star. Yo, you ever see some people with generation upon generation upon generation, he look like mother, father, granny, auntie, uncle, the whole of them broke. None of them can be successful. Whole of them, me want to say yes man, but them just dead. You see me? Alkaline I tell you say, yo, you have to go get it. You see, just like how him broke the curse in a film family, I see him, so you have to do it between a years. You see me? Don't sit down like some old cruff. Yo, people, me not tell a lie. Me love that song there. And you notice how the dog flow with it? Set up, shake up, left them, fed up, anything, eh? You see me? Yo, Alkaline alone, me see of them flow, they still in a star, Chaddy star. Yo, people, remember if you tell me what you think in the comment section about this song. You see me? And if it's the first time watching, thanks for watching. Don't forget hit that subscribe button and click the like button as well. You see me? Turn on post notification too. You see it? Cause we no response to one go sell out and turn switcher.
Rich will get richer and richer. Life too short for we meditate pan on negative. Stack the dollar make it bigger and go richer and richer. Richer and richer and richer. Richer and richer and richer. Richer and richer. I can still burn up the temperature. We have them gyal a turn them in a stripper. Who them can't get rid of me make the muckle. But you have to hustle. No man no for your mind, no man like say them is a couple. Inna them a time I have to know for skill. Learn for juggle. Put in the muscle and no bother with the fuddle.
So you know, me don't want my viewers and subscribers them though. Me don't want to know. Tell me in the comment section I want hustling. Tell me in the comment section I own a juggle for the bread. You see me? Cause you see just like what Alkaline say, no man no fear mind no man around here. We no deal with them things around here. No vendetta fans, no support them liberty around here. You see me? Oh, uno I want go richer and richer. And is a man make uno rich. No sir, you know say he's a bitch. We not play that game there around here. Richer and richer.
Your pills not wet. Nothing no come easy. Yeah, you have to go fate early as the crack of dawn. Not table sweat. Out and I look it cause food a fit. Watch out. Man I elevate and I levitate. The playing you ain't in I don't do it. We are elevate. I levitate. Me I tell us true.
So people, me I go tell you the main thing what me like in that song. You see the flow where Alkaline find. Me no know where him get that flow there from, but it come like say him go dig deep in him flow bag and draw up the flow here. The flow here was so unique. Where him alone in the industry, me here with the flow here. Him alone, me see and hear with a style here. Chaddy star. It's a bad song. Me like the song. Anybody when I like the song, them don't want to get richer and richer. Anybody who don't like the song, them just want to live in the poor life all the days of them life. Anyway, still, this is the end of my review. So guess what I want to do? Tell me in the comment section what you think about the song. Me I go put the song in the description so you can go on over, go listen to the full song and forward back if you don't like and tell me what you think about it. Cause me I telling you right now, you know, that song is bad. You see me? That song have one like a party vibes. It have a meditation vibe same way. It a tell the youths them say to get richer and richer. You see me? It a keep the youths on a conscious path. And in a today's society, we need song like them have to med span. You see it? And that me have to say still. So people, remember, if you like this video, give it a like. You see me? And please, if it's the first time watching, just click the subscribe button, man, and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. You see me? And for returning subscribers who watch my video over and over and don't subscribe, what wanna do with yourself? Me don't know still. But you see, for the ending of this year, and you see for 2019, and you see for 2018, richer and richer, richer and richer and richer. Hold on, me say 2018 it come like the other way me I go. 2020 me fi say and beyond. You see me? Rich. I'm out.
When I respond, so I for the sell out and turn switcher. Rich will get richer and richer. Life too short for we meditate on a negative. Stack the dollar, make it bigger and go richer and richer. Richer and richer and richer. Richer and richer and richer. Richer and richer. I can still burn up the temperature. We have them gyal turn them in a stripper.